it is a centralized platform, so you could have a single customer, as you can see here within the managed services, to which you've sold Office 365, perhaps some SureWeb encryption solution that have been added on to Office 365. So that would be the 2013 platform or 16, depending on the service. You might have sold online backup, infrastructure as a service. The point here is from your list of customers, you can quickly jump into the technical platform for each service that you've sold to that customer to manage the technical aspects of the services. So jump into Performance Cloud, stop the VMs, make changes to the resources, add some storage, add some CPUs, start the VM again, and you're done. That's really the process. So that's your account or customer management. We'll go to the next slide. In that one, another feature that you have access to here is really how quickly it is to transfer your business to Office 365 if you're an existing advisor partner with Microsoft. So we have some, as Simon said, some sales operation folks that are there to assist you in executing that. But basically, a big essential part of our success is the UI and the tools that we develop to allow you to import all of your existing business from the Microsoft Partner Center into the SureWeb account. So you can see here that all of your accounts will be automatically populated with the licenses assigned. And then basically, it's a question of starting the transfer for each. And the tool gives you visibility on where you are in that process. Has it been completed? And of course, you have 24/7 assistance through our support or through your dedicated sales account or through the sales operation manager that's been assigned to your case. So we're really there to make sure you can move that business quickly and then focus on the next deal, the next customer, or the next sales opportunity. So that's one. Another feature here is really around all of your support and needs. So that could be billing requirements, migration requirements, or 24/7 technical support. So within the portal, you have a great ability to create new tickets with our team. You can always call, of course. And the numbers are there when you sign up. They're online. We're here 24/7, North America based, but we'll get into that in a few minutes. So you can open tickets via the portal. You can see all open and closed tickets and a full view of your ticket history with SureWeb. So you don't have to manage all of this in your inbox.
Yeah, that was a big request too.
Absolutely. Another key benefit is really the real-time usage and reporting functionalities, and this will be enhanced over time. And we do gather a lot of our partners' input in building out and determining what the Cumulus roadmap will be. So in Cumulus itself, you have a great option to solicit feedback, to provide recommendations and input directly within the interface. So feel free to do that. That's what it's there for. So this is usage reporting. Basically, it gives you a great visibility by a client, what services they have, what consumption of those services are, so actual usage versus the allocated quantities of services you've made available for your customers. So it gives you a great view. And something in that same environment is the audit. Oh, I think it comes back later, but I'll just mention it now. Within the reporting, you have access to audit. So you can at all times see what your employees who have access to Cumulus as a partner business are doing. So we've got great logs which you can export and see exactly what was done. Great functionality around your MPN ID number as well. So that's something important. If you're an MPN ID or if you're a Microsoft partner with a Microsoft Partner Network ID number, you can put that number into Cumulus. And what that does is that will report all of your sales of any CSP, so Office 365 Dynamics, Azure, EMS, so forth, to Microsoft. So if you have any certification, incentives, competencies, all those things that you currently have today with Microsoft, you will still maintain with SureWeb. That's not a problem whatsoever. But make sure you enter your MPN ID number. And then you've got great communication preferences, so you can select your maintenance communication, your newsletter, promotion, marketing communications directly within the interface. And of course, as I said, you have audits to see what your employees are doing within your partner account at SureWeb. So you have the ability to create users and give them specific roles. So you have a billing technician that you want only to be able to see your invoices and handle that part of the business, and a technical one to not be able to see your costs or handle your invoices, but only have the ability to add customers and make changes to the actual services that your customers have. You can assign these different types of permissions to individual users that you give access to your partner account. So this is the logs here on the next slide. We already spoke about that, but everything is recorded and you can export yourself a full audit of what's been done in your environment.